Okay guys, I got 1/4 inch thick plate. I just trace the cover here, so I will go grind it, make all the angle. As you can see, it's really tight. It's 1.5 inches wide, so it fit, but it is really very tight. So I will go make it, and after I will update you as soon as it will be finished to let you know how it went. Going Cycle are selling a delete kit for this spare valve, which consisting in 2 steel plates that replace the cap that we will remove in a minute. But the thing is, they are in US and I am in Canada, so even if they only selling this kit for like 20 bucks, 22 bucks, something like that, obviously 22 bucks US, with shipping it's about 45 bucks still US. But since I'm in Canada, I need to count for the currency difference, which will be about 60 bucks. And over that, I will surely get some border fees because I'm crossing the border, or the parts are crossing the border. So this 20 bucks kit, after it will be here, will cost me about maybe 80 bucks Canadian dollars. So for this reason, I will make my home plate. So if you are living in US, there's no point on making your home plate because you will probably pay 30 bucks with shipping. But for me, it's pretty expensive just for 2 plates, so I will make my home. There you go. I got one done. The only thing left to do is drill the hole and drill the dimple. But before doing that, I will make the second plate, and after that I will jump on the drilling. But for now, let's trim another plate. Okay, now both plates are done, so I already start drilling. The other hole is punch. This one is punch as well. So now I will drill the 3 other holes, and after that I will go back on the engine and mark the screw where I need to drill the dimple. Okay, so now I have the rear cover. My plate go there, and I put that on the cover, so I make sure that I put the plate on the right way. There one side that they need to go, and what I will do, I will put paint on the top of that screw, and I will drop the plate at the right position, so I will have a mark on the plate where I need to drill that dimple. So now I know it is this way, so I will put it here. I just take some white paint, I will put some in the cap, and I will dip my finger in it just enough so it is wet enough to mark the plate. I have to hurry before it dried. I have the place where I need to drill. I will make the hole a little bigger So if I'm not exactly at the right position, it will fit anyway. But now I need to wipe out this paint just in case it's damaged. Something. There you go. There you go, guys. I drill it. Now put this thing in this place. And it fit well. So when it will be sitting on the gasket surrounding the plate, it will be sealed. Okay guys, I just finished sanding the plate. I sanded, I started at 80 grit and I set it down until 1000 grit, so they are ready to polish. It's not perfect, but I'm polishing them more so they don't rust, because it's not really for the look, since it will be hidden behind plastic cap anyway. So I will start polishing them right now, and after that they will be ready to install on the bike. There you go, I got one done. There's still some scratch on it, but as I said, it won't show. It will be hidden but behind a plastic cap, so I think it's good enough for a hidden piece. This one's complete as well. It's less scratch because the other one, I put that upside down on the magnet, tried to polish it, so that's why there's some scratch on it. This one, just put it in a vise so I avoid scratching it. So they are ready to be installed on the bike. I will polish the surrounding by hand just to make sure it doesn't rust. Now I'm ready to install my shiny plate instead of the cap that was there before. This will be tight enough, so I got one side done. Let's jump on the other side. I decided not to put any thread lock on the bolt since it's sitting on rubber, so it won't, I doubt that it will go out with vibration. So there you go. Both sides are done.